think I'm starting to understand the feelings that I felt back then, even though everything was all in my head. But I know for sure one thing. One of them was love. I'm really sorry for everything that just spilled out from inside of me.